Hi everyone. Today we'll be talking about the pros and cons of beauty box subscriptions. Enjoy. Are you considering subscribing to a beauty box? It is certainly something worth considering, and I personally love them. However, it is important to be aware of both the pros and cons before making a decision. On the one hand, beauty boxes can be a wonderful way to discover new products and receive special discounts. However, it's also worth bearing in mind that they can be quite costly, and the products included may not always align with your needs or lifestyle. Overall, it's important to consider what you're looking for in a beauty subscription and whether or not it aligns with your budget and preferences before committing. So I decided to make a list of the pros and cons and share it with you. Let's start with the pros. First one is variety. Beauty subscription boxes provide a wide range of products from makeup to skincare to meet a variety of needs, wants, and product discovery. These boxes come in all shapes, sizes, and price ranges, allowing for customization for every budget. Often, the boxes are curated by beauty experts who have used and approve the products themselves. Furthermore, the items were chosen based on need, history of products previously sent, and time of the year or even themes. The second pro would be convenience. Beauty boxes are a perfect way to stay on top of trends in beauty and skincare without paying hundreds of dollars for every new purchase you make. And they are super convenient. Just wait for it to arrive at your doorstep with no need to go to the store and spend hours perusing the store, blindly choosing a product with no expertise to back it up. These beauty subscriptions are perfect for me because they make it easy to keep up with what's in my beauty bag, ensuring that I make informed decisions when it comes to choosing which products to buy and use in the future. Another big point is quality. A beauty subscription box is a great way to indulge in the process of discovery. Each box offers at least one high-quality product, often selected by their expert teams. They're called the hero products in the box and are usually highest in price or popularity. These boxes are tailored to meet the needs of the individual, providing products that will make them look and feel their best based on questionnaires. In most cases, you get to pick at least one of the products from a selection being offered. Affordability. Beauty subscription boxes offer an affordable way to stay on top of the latest trends in beauty and skincare. These boxes are tailored to fit any budget, providing a cost-effective way to keep up with the latest trends. More often than not, one of the products will be worth the value of the entire box. Customization. As mentioned before, these subscriptions offer the ability to customize the products to meet your needs. These boxes are tailored to the individual, providing products that are chosen to meet your specific needs and wants based on both questionnaires and selective options in accordance with each beauty box program. I always love the grip on those because it's texturized. Fun. Now this is a good one. One of my favorite parts of this whole process is that it offers a fun way to stay on top of the latest trends in beauty and skincare. You never know what you're going to get and how the product feels, smells, and works. Sometimes you'll be delighted by some element of design or the scent of a powder or other unique feature that you did not expect. It is like going on an adventure. Now, there are never pros without cons. So the first con would be price. Beauty box subscriptions can be quite costly. They might seem like a great idea, but you could be paying a hefty price for products that you don't need and it does not suit your needs or lifestyle. If budget is a real concern, ask yourself, is this a needed expense? Because you will be paying for it for the entirety of a year in most cases. Another negative is the marketing focus on teenagers. Some boxes are often marketed to teenage girls looking to keep up with the latest beauty trends. This is a touchy subject that can be looked at from both sides of the argument. Is the emphasis on beauty something we would like to encourage our young girls to do? Or will providing them with a few self-care products help their self-esteem and confidence? Only you know the answer to these questions when considering beauty boxes for your teen. Also, these boxes are not always tailored to personal needs. Some boxes may not be tailored to your personal needs or preferences as much as they are advertised. I often get products for oily skin. Why does that happen? Limited stock of products. In order to keep the prices low, many of the items are last year's offerings, where colors and formulas might be different from the current products being sold at stores. And you might not be able to find those products if in fact you enjoy it and would like to buy multiple of them in the future. Many times you will be given a substitute product in your box instead of the one you expect from the main boxes. Again, to review, the cons of a beauty subscription box would be that they can be expensive and not always tailored to your personal needs. You might have limited stocks of products, and the fact that these boxes might not always align with your budget, preferences, and needs. And maybe you're not happy with the idea of having a product marketed to teenage girls. Overall, I do love receiving beauty subscription boxes. And the reasons for them are the variety of the products sent, the convenience of receiving them without having to spend hours shopping, the high quality of the hero items, the various options and costs and affordability, the customization options, if I ever remember to make the choices, which I never do, and the fun of discovering new products and trying out things that I wouldn't have otherwise picked out from a shelf at a beauty store. I truly enjoy my subscription boxes because they take the stress out of trying to find products that fit my needs. I can simply sit back and relax knowing that someone else has already done the work for me. It's a wonderful way to keep up with the latest beauty trends and try out new products without breaking the bank.